Reverend Dr. Ken Gordon, spiritual leader for Centers for Spiritual Living, coming to you with the May 13th theme for 2018, and the theme for the month of May is spiritual laws and how to use them. This week's presentation is brought to us by Reverend Abigail Shire, who comes from the Peninsula Center for Spiritual Living. Her topic is the sequence of the creative order. You know, there is an order and a sequence as to how we create form in our lives. We're used to knowing about the seed, the soil, and the plant, how things come into being. In our particular teaching that believes that it's done unto us as we believe, that the creative aspect is first to be able to expand the belief. To be able to get a bigger idea results in a bigger experience or a bigger form. Dr. Holmes states in The Science of Mind that the principle of the science of mind is exact and mathematical, while the use of it is personal. And this is a big deal, because we have to be able to personalize the power to be able to suit our needs or direct it to where we want it to be, and we need to do it in alignment with the universal laws themselves. He says also in the Science of Mind text, the sequence of the creative order, or the way the law and the word works, is, first of all, absolute intelligence. Next, it's word or thought. Following this, the law is set in motion. Then at the end of the sequence is the creation or the formation of the word in definite and specific circumstances, situations, or creations, which are the logical, inevitable, mathematical, and mechanical reactions of the law to the creative world. This is exactly what we're dealing with. What we are dealing with is a mechanical aspect of the law when we utilize and use it in our lives. If we think great thoughts, we'll get great things. If we think negative thoughts, we'll help expand the negativity that exists in our experience and in our expression. The key is to find an alignment and to be able to attempt to replicate the spirit and the mind of the infinite unconditional power that exists around us in order to be able to manifest an unconditional potential in our lives. It's possible, it's done all the time. You yourself have probably already utilized it, whether you know it or not. What you think about is what you get. What you've got is a direct reflection of the thoughts behind it. Might not like to hear it, and yet it's the truth. God bless you. Have a wonderful week. I'll talk to you next week. Know you're loved.